Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will be going over designing and customizing your store. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Alright, so let's get our first store design and customize. On the dashboard, go to the side menu, then click Online Store. Then click Explore Free Themes. Let's choose the simple theme, and you can preview how it looks like here. And it also includes all these features and styles. Select a style, then click Add to Theme Library. You should be able to see it at the theme library. To change our default theme to the new one, click Actions, then select Publish. For now, let's customize our new theme, so click Customize. We are now inside the theme editor page, and you'll see the sections and theme settings on the upper left side of your screen. Let's have a quick overview of the sections. The header has the settings for the logo, announcement bar, and tagline section. Next, we have the sidebar. This is for the main menu and theme settings where you can put all your social media links. Then we have the footer. This has the settings for the links, newsletter sign up, and you can also add additional content. The middle part contains the page sections, the slideshow, featured collection, and the map. For now, let's put the slideshow and the map at the bottom of the page. To do that, just drag the tiles to the bottom. Click Add Section, and from the list, let's add a featured banner. Then click Add. Next, we need to put our featured banner to the top section of our page. Let's now preview our current layout. Once you're happy and it's okay, we are now ready to add some images. For royalty-free photos, let's go to unsplash.com. Let's find some wristwatch photos. Type in wristwatch, people. And you can filter it according to orientation or color tone. Once you find an image that you like, click the download photo icon, then save it to your computer. If you want to create a simple logo, go to canva.com/create/logos. Once you have your logo and images ready, we can now start designing. Let's add our logo. Click Header, then select Image. Click Upload, select from your images, then click Open. You should see the image in your library. Click the logo from your list, then click Select at the bottom. Next, let's add an image to our banner. Click Featured Banner, then select Image. Click Upload, select the photo from your computer again, then select the photo in your library. Then click Select at the bottom. Next, we have the featured collection. For the featured collection, we need to add a cover photo for each category. You can also increase the number of rows depending on the number of your product category. The next section is the slideshow. Typically, the images here are about your brand story. Let's add some images here. Click Slideshow, then go to Content, then select Image. Instead of going to the library, let's explore some free images. Go to men's fashion since this is our niche for this example, then select an image that you like, then click Select at the bottom. Let's add another image to our slideshow. Go to Slideshow, then Content, then click Add Slide. Go to Free Images again, Men's Fashion. Let's select an image, then click Select. You have the option to change the slide height. You also have the auto rotate slide setting, which sets the slideshow to play automatically. The next setting is the change slides every setting. This selects how often to change slides. And the last two are the transition effect and the text size setting. Let's now go back to our main page, and once you're happy with your design, click Save at the upper right corner of your screen, then Publish. To go back to the Shopify admin, type in your store name .myshopify.com/admin.